Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. The first question is 36 by 100, which you guys know this is 0.36, which is terminating. That's all. Right? Because the division stops and it stops basically. So that's terminating. Second question, 1 by 11. So 11 is dividing 1. So zeros are 0. Then put a decimal, 10. This also cannot be divided by 11. I mean, kind of. So again 0. Then I can take one more 0. Then 9s are 99. So we have 1 again. So the same procedure starts. Right? Since we already have a decimal, so the next one will be 10, that is 0. Then 9, so on and so forth. So basically 1 by 11 is 0.909 bar. So if you guys want to confirm that, let me show it to you. You can see 0.0909090909. It keeps going. It's never ending. To indicate that, I put a bar over there to indicate 0.09. 09 keeps occurring. So this is non-terminating, repeating or recurring. Whatever you guys want to write that. Next is 4 1 by 8, which can be written as 4 plus 1 by 8. And 1 by 8 is nothing but 4 plus 0.125. This I taught in basics. 1 by 2 is half, and 1 by 4 is 0.25. 1 by 8 is 1.25. 4.125. This is terminating. Right? Next question. 13 by 3. So divide 3 with 13. So we have, this cannot divide, so we'll go with 0. Put a 0 over there. 2 is a 26, 4, 0. 3 is a 39, 1. So 0 is a 0, 10. I'll just shift it over here because I don't have space. 0.230. This also I don't have space. Next is I can put one more 0, right? 100, 91. Na? What is that? 7s are. Then this is 9. So this has to be 6. 78. 12, 0. And this has to be 9s, which is 117. So this is 3. And we came back to the same point. Is it not? Then I'll put a 0 and the same thing goes on. It's never ending. So this is nothing but 13 by 3 is equal to 0.230769 bar. Right? I'll show it to you. 3 divided by 13. You can see it over here. See the pattern? So this is your non-terminating recurring. Fifth question. 2 by 11, which we already saw. We know that 1 by 11 is what? 1 by 11 is 0.09 bar. This is 0.18 bar. Right, this is normal multiplication. If it's complicated, then you do the revision. If not, this is good enough. You don't need to show the calculation anything. If you remember the ratio, then done. This is non-terminating recurring. And last we have 4 dividing 329. 8 4 the 32. Have 0 9. 2 the 8. 1.25. This is 329 divided by 4 into 1 by 100. Okay, this is what I have done. This ratio is 825.25 divided by 100. Is it not? and this is nothing but 0.8225. Decimal place, 2 zeros, 2 to the left. And then conclusion is this is terminating. Right? Now you can pause and have a look at each of this question. This is your answer. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.